Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe. Welcome in the second episode of my reverse stamping video. We will be using this stamping plate by CADS. By the way, I decided to do a voiceover for my reverse stamping videos. I'm now applying base coat to my natural nails. Then I'm applying 2 coats of this glittery blue nail polish. Then I'm using the stamping plate with white nail polish and a stamper. Then let's fill it in with colors. After all of that, it's time to apply a fast drying top coat to apply the stamping design. Make sure to let it dry a bit before stamping. And after all of that, let's apply top coat. And that's it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!